Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yemi D here, and if you're new here, I am a lash tech. I also teach other lash techs how to increase their income, how to get more clients, and I also sell lash products. Today I'm going to give you guys 5 quick ways to increase your income as a lash tech, and that's whether if you're new in the game or you're just starting. And these are simple but effective ways to bring in more cash without overworking yourself. So let's get started. So tip number 1 is just raising your prices, but raising your prices the right way. Yes, there is a wrong way to raising your prices. I'm going to tell you guys about the right way to raise your prices. If your books are already being quickly filled out and you're feeling overworked and kind of a bit burnt out, that is a big sign to up your prices. And I know a lot of lash techs are a little bit hesitant on raising their prices because they feel like their clients won't come back, but I'm telling you now, the right clients will always come back to you because they see the value that you put in your business. The key is to increase your value before increasing your prices, and that just looks as investing into more courses, or like adding bottom lashes, or improving your wispy sets, or improving your volume sets, and providing a luxury experience. When you increase your value in the lash business, then you can increase your prices because you offer more. You specialize now in these kind of sets. You specialize into bottom lashes, you specialize into wispy sets, you specialize into knowing how to do special sets with the eyes. Like when you do things like that, that now increases your worth in the business, and now it's more understandable for when clients look at your prices like, okay, I understand why I'm paying this much because she specialized into this. And honestly, just making sure your work speaks for itself. You're honestly just giving a very luxury experience. You're perfecting sets that no one is able to do. Clients will always see value in that and respect your prices. And it's very important to continue to increase your knowledge into this business and know what's trending. So don't ever think like, okay, like I know how to do volume sets, that is it for you. No, it is very important to just keep on learning and keep on growing in your business. I'm sorry, I keep looking around. I keep thinking someone is next to me, but no one's next to me. And I don't mean up your prices a crazy way where your sets was like $100 and now you're raising them to $200. Like, let's gradually do that. Like, gradually up your prices like $10 or $15. And even with the tier prices too, that's definitely something you want to be in the know of. Make sure you are building a relationship with your supplier so that way you're able to ask, okay, like what's going on, and you guys are able to set a game plan so you're not like just shocked one day when you're ordering supplies and just like, oh snap, I gotta pay $120. So definitely build a relationship, ask them what's going on, and just be in the know with the news, because tariff fees are affecting a lot of small businesses. So that's something you definitely do not want to be a blind eye to. And then even right now, I feel like with tariff prices being a topic of conversation, that just shows you right now is the time to start upping your prices. Understand what's going on right now and be prepared. And don't be afraid to factor these prices into your service. The right clients, the clients that love you, would rather you stay in business than disappear because you're not making a profit. Like, they want to keep you in business. They love getting their lashes done. They love the service. Don't think, oh my god, lashes are about to end because of tariff prices. Like, people still want to get their lashes done, and they understand. Excuse me, sorry, they understand what's going on. So tip number 2 is kind of like what I was saying before, and that is just adding a luxury service or upgrade to your sets that you're originally doing. Like, instead of now doing wispy sets, you can now add like wet sets. That's really popular right now. Bottom lashes, that's very popular, that I feel like everybody should be doing. Colored lashes, like brown lashes. These little small upgrades can boost your income without adding more clients to your service, which can easily add an extra $20 to $50 per client that you're making every day. So tip number 3, and if you're already not doing this, I have a question, and that is to offer a lash aftercare kit for your clients. And you can literally specialize this as many ways as you want to. You can add a fan, you can add a brush, a little gift card or coupon for them for their next service. You can specialize this so many ways. A headband, a candy, a face mask. So many ways you can add this to give it more of a shazam or give it a more luxury feel rather than just selling a lash shampoo bottle. And because you're adding more into that, you can charge more. And I definitely recommend buying whatever you're getting for your clients. Buy it in wholesale so that way it's a cheaper price, so that way it's not eating away at your pockets. Like, you can get face mask for a bulk, probably for like $10, and then you can just add it into the kit and then sell it for more. You guys should already be selling lash aftercare kits for your clients, but you can up it more with products, that way you're making more. Tip number 4 is doing some training or having an ebook. If you have been in this game for a long time and all you're doing is lashing, you need to start doing some trainings, and you need to start doing some ebooks, especially if you specialize in something. I.e. for me, I was I feel like I was probably the only one doing bottom lashes. Not gonna toot my own horn, but a lot of people in my area did not know how to do bottom lashes. And when I was doing my bottom lashes, I was getting asked a lot of how do I do this, how do I do this, and I just created an ebook, so that way it is just something I send to other lash techs, and they learn how to do it, and they're able to do it, and they're able to make more money. So if you specialize in something, whether that's wispy sets, whether that's how to make your volume sets pop, whether that's how to make your lashes last, whether that's how to find the right vendor, you need to start selling that as an ebook, as well as training. Like, if people are coming up to you and asking you that they want to be a lash tech, you definitely need to start looking into how you can start training or start giving out courses on how to do just that, or just training in general, because you can do training in anything. You can do training in wispy sets, anything that you specialize in, you can do training in. So you could either do a training course where it's physical, person by person, or you can do ebook, and then with ebook you can sell to the world. So definitely look into that. And the best part about ebooks, or even like if you do online courses, is that once you create that ebook or create that online course, it sells itself, and you can just focus on your lash business. And the last tip number 5, is social media, and just being consistent on social media, because you can make money on social media. You can make money on TikTok, you can make money on Instagram, you can make money on YouTube and Facebook, all of them. If you're not consistently posting on these apps, you're just leaving money on the table. And it only takes one viral video to bring in a wave of new clients. Focus on posting before and after, transformations, clients testimonials, lash tips, you know it. You never know who's watching and who could be a next client that's laying on your table. So that is it on my 5 quick ways on how to increase your income in this lash business. Let me know in the comments which one you're gonna try first. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next lash tip video. Bye!